Welcome back. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to verify your Notion AI account in 2026. To get started, either create a new Notion account or log in using your email address. After that, head over to your inbox and look for a verification email from Notion. Open the message and click on the verification link inside. If you don't see the email, be sure to check your spam or junk folder or request another one. Once you've confirmed your email, your account will be fully activated, and you'll be able to access Notion along with its AI features. If you're on a paid plan, it's also a good idea to double-check your billing information to make sure everything is up to date and working properly. And that's it. Your Notion AI account is verified and ready to go. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.